Hello everyone, this is Darcy McKee. My lesson plan is over first grade geometry. It's recognizing three-dimensional shapes such as cubes, cones, cylinders, and spheres. We are focusing on cubes and cubes and spheres this time. First thing that we'll do, I can make it load, is we're going to watch an introduction video, just introducing the shapes and different ways we can use them. If you can see it's attached, all you have to do is click on the slide. Then the next one is we're going to ask a question. We're going to start the lesson with different kind of balls and different kind of blocks. We're going to ask a question about what kind of toys the kids would find in a toy store. You know, have the kids list and describe the toys that are found on the shelves and ask them these riddles. I'm a round toy. I can bounce. You can roll me. What am I? A basketball, a soccer ball, etc. And then he says, I am flat all over. You can stick me together. You can build a tower with me. What am I? Building blocks. And you can see down here we have different examples of blocks and spheres that they can use and that they would find in a toy store. Then we're going to come to this slide, and we are going to look at all the different spheres. We have a blue sphere and a yellow and a red one and little bitty balls, and then we have dice, an orange one and a blue one and a red one and a purple one. We're just going to talk about them and ask them questions about what they are, what colors they are. Then the next slide is where we're going to ask some questions. We're going to keep the slide on the board and say, look at the shapes. What size do you see? What side do you see? Like, what do you see on the sides? Spheres and cubes. If you sort by size, will you get the same shape? No, you won't. If you sort by color, will you get the same shape? No, you won't. How can you sort the shape so each group gets one kind of shape? You can sort the shapes on the shapes that stack and shapes that roll. So if they stack, they're cubes, and if they roll, they're spheres. Then we could ask a question. We want them to really think. We want them to slow down and think, how is a sphere different from a cube? The answer is simple. One has a flat surface, the other doesn't. One can roll, one doesn't. And this is just trying to get the kids to stop and understand. And throughout this, you want to have different examples of spheres and cubes. You want to be playing with them. You want to be rolling the balls back and forth. You want to show that the spheres, the cubes can't roll. You just want to have them all out all together so they can see them. And the next one is their independent practice. Okay, this is independent practice. You hand out the three-dimensional shape papers. Have the children work in groups to sort out the three-dimensional shapes into two groups. So you can see right here where we have the shapes and the activity that the kids would do. Again, it's a very short lesson, but you can draw it out longer by just helping the kids stop and think and understand what's going on and the differences between it. And this would be a build upon lesson. You would start with this one, and then you'd build on to different kind of shapes and different real world activities and ideas. And the last slide is a resource slide. And these are what you need for your class to do it. You want different examples of spheres and cubes. A video, the Leapfrog Video Adventures in Shapeville Park, and the three-dimensional shape papers. Like I said, it would be fun activity for the kids to do, hands-on activity. Hopefully we can get this done. Thank you.